Hi everyone, welcome to Silicon Degree. Imagine you are launching a new ice cream flavor. You want to know if people will like it or not. Or you are a social media manager trying to increase engagement. You can't ask everyone on the planet. In both the cases, you are facing a common problem. You need answers, but you can't possibly ask everyone in the world. That's why our hero enters in this scenario. Statistics. So, are you ready to decode the matrix of everyday life? Buckle up. We are about to dive in the world where numbers tell you story and patterns reveals the truth. Get ready to see the world through the whole new lens, the lens of statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is a field that involves the collection, analysis, interpretation and presentation of data. It plays a crucial role in making informed decisions, understanding complex patterns and drawing reliable conclusions about the various phenomena. Statistics is not about crunching the numbers, but also about the understanding the implication behind numbers. It involves rigorous methodology that requires careful planning, designing, and execution to ensure that the data collected and analyzed are accurate and reliable. Statistics can broadly categorized into two main branches: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics focus on summarizing and presenting data in a meaningful way. It involves organizing data into manageable forms through techniques like tables, graph, and charts. The main goal is to describe the features of the data set, such as the distribution of value, central tendency, and variability. The common tools within the descriptive statistics includes measures of central tendency. This include mean, which is a average value, median, which is a median value, and mod, which is the most frequent value. Measure of dispersion. This describes the spread of data such as a range, the difference between the largest and the smallest value, variance and standard deviation. Measure of position, such as percentile, quartile, and interquartile range, which indicates the position of the data points within the dataset. Second is your inferential statistics. Inferential statistics goes beyond the data at the hand to make inference about the population from which the sample size was drawn. It involves generalizing the forms from the sample to the population, estimating unknown parameters and testing hypotheses. Key concepts in inferential statistics include sample distribution, the distribution of sample statistics, for example, your sample mean for all the possible samples of the given size. Estimation. This includes the point estimation using a single value to estimate a parameter, and interval estimation providing a range of value within which the parameter is expected to lie with a certain level of confidence. Hypothesis testing, a process for making judgment about the value of a parameter by using data from a sample. It involves setting up a null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis and then deciding which one is supported by the data. Let's summarize this all. Statistics is a powerful tool that helps us to understand world through data. It allows us to describe analyzing patterns, making predictions and drawing conclusions from data, which is why it holds such importance in our daily lives, businesses and research. Why statistics is important? There are several key reasons why statistics is so important. Data interpretation. In an era where we are constantly bombarded with the data from various sources, statistics provide the tool and techniques to interpret and understand this data. It helps summarizing data and presenting it in a form that is easier to understand and analyze. Decision making. Statistics is the backbone of informed decision making. It allows us to make decisions based on data rather than intuition or guesswork. Whether it is a business, healthcare, or policy making, statistics can provide a necessary evidence to understand and support the decision. Scientific research. In the scientific research, statistics is a critical for designing experiment, analyzing result, and drawing conclusion. It ensures that the findings are reliable and not just due to chance. Quality control. In industry, statistics is used for quality control to ensure that the product meets certain standards. Techniques like statistical process control helps in monitoring and controlling production processes, reducing defects and improves the efficiency. Predictive modeling. Statistics forms the basic of predictive modeling and forecasting. By analyzing historical data, statisticians can create models that predict trends and outcomes, which is invaluable for planning and strategies. It is essential in fields like science, economics, healthcare, and social science, where data analysis is crucial for progress and informed decision making. Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collection, analyzing, interpretation, and presentation of numerical data. Descriptive statistics summarize the data through numerical representations such as mean, median, and standard deviation to provide a clear overview of the dataset. Inference statistics use sample data to make predictions or inference about the large population, allowing research to analyze their findings. The choice between descriptive and inferential statistics depends on the research objectives and the nature of data. The descriptive statistics are used to summarize characteristics of the data, while the inferential statistics are employed to draw conclusions beyond the sample data. Statistics is crucial for understanding data, making informed decisions, and uncover patterns or trends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.